First time mo mag-camping mo? The sun is up. So this is the setup we have. It's on top of this. Kasya lahat. Cheers! Staff pa. Setup. Taas mo.
Hindi pala nakatali yung unggoy. Got eggs, sausage, and toast.
Super toast.
Super toast.
A perfect s'more.
Ba't yung caramelize? Pag nag-brown na ganyan?
Oo.
First time mo mag-camping mo?
No, wanyang elementary. Ito kaming Girl Scout.
Sa school?
King mong school. King section.
King!
Ito masarap.
Yes, sarap. Lasa.
That was more than just a fart.
Sabi ko na eh, walk around ka dyan. Pa-park ka eh.
Refreshing.
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 Good night, boys.
Good night. Let's go. Yes. Say the word.
We're in Bamban.
No, I don't.
Yeah. Right turn.
Picture ka lang. Overnight pa or day tour lang? You cannot jump scare anyone. Nakakatakot, di mo kaya yan.
Ayan yung trail, Chi.
Huwag na tayo mag-itibit.
Load the gear. Hmm? Kasya lahat. Chi! Yan, Chi. Yan yung mga unpack mo. Cheers! So this is our campsite. This small strip terrace.
How do I build the chair?
Overlooking that.
Don't point the camera at me. There,
Why?
Wait!
Nakashape ang bed. Hindi tayo
Stuff pa.
Ipalaw mo tayo yung bed, yo.
Taas mo. Yan.
Ba't yung ilaw natin hindi pa nakapunin? Ilaw natin dyan, no?
Guys, don't wrap yourself around with lights again. You already done it during Christmas.
Daming tao!
Okay? So what? Chili.
Chili.
That's me. Up today's chef.
Barbecue. Kebab. Uy, sarap ng barbecue, man.
This better be lit.
Paglutuan ta?
Nanong pipaglutuan? Ay, kani. Kitchen.
The glizzy will need more time.
Ito masarap.
Yes, sarap.
Good job.
So, is that my coke?
Sorry, man. I thought it was mine. Oh, sugar-free pala yung sa akin. Thank you, guys. Gawa tayo ng spices. Dami.
Masarap pag maparas.
Ito, yeah.
Wow.
Kain. Kain. Good mercy. Sarap ng hangin, no? Sakto lang.
Feel nature.
Tama. Parang aircon.
Here's my cooking.
May mga campers dun sa baba. Maingay sila. May tao pa dun. Yung
Quiet tayo.
nandun sa baba.
Yeah.
Yung mga overlanders.
Oo.
Diyan pa.
Sige, luto na yung noodles.
Ooh, look.
First time mo mag-camping, ma?
No, wanyang elementary. Ting kaming Girl Scout.
Sa school?
But, ay kami magluto. King mong school. King Assumption. King Assumption.
Ano lasa?
Skyflakes and Nutella.
What?
Yeah.
Skyflakes with s'mores?
Technically, you need crackers and chocolate. Usually, mga Pinoy, use nila Graham crackers pati Hershey's.
Graham cracker. Tsaka Hershey. Ano, chocolate?
And Hershey bar.
Ah! Anong chocolate na bar? Why? Kala ko drink.
Sa s'mores, yung construction niya, cracker, marshmallow, chocolate, tas cracker.
May something yata sa LU eh.
Papa.
Cafe or restaurant? Resto bar?
Sinabi ni Ma.
Galing sila sa
Tingnan mo
s'mores daw eh.
Di ba? Di ba sinabi ni Ma, perfect yung sa akin. Then sinabi ko kay Ma, unlike my scores.
Unlike your scores sa exam.
A perfect s'more. So, just let one side rest for a while.
Ma, what can you say about the table?
Table.
To. I think this is the largest eh, sa Shopee.
Okay na yung size.
For a family of 4.
Wait lang. Can you guys move the things here? I'm gonna
May
put
small
shelter.
pa rin, pero siguro if you have 2.
Mama.
Ito, snacks na lang. Kasya naman yun. Good siya. Busog. Sorry.
Busog.
You know what time it is, guys?
Shelly.
Yep.
Should turn up
Ay, Shelly! Shelly! Ay, busog!
Okay lang yan.
Hindi lang yan.
Turn up the camera. We're gonna get copyright.
Time for Netflix. We're watching Sheldon. Young Sheldon.
It's just physics. Come at me.
What one are you?
Well, I'm new to this, so maybe just walk quickly.
May butas naman pala eh.
Hey.
Sino yun? Sino yun?
Getting cozy.
Monster!
Hey, sa akin yan! Ano?
Let's go! Ay! I'm gonna cuddle.
Mainit?
No.
Oo.
Ano, warm lang naman.
Hindi. Kailangan nyo ng electric fan.
Pea shooter!
Tapi shooter.
That one.
Tayo. Tampi shooter. Ay, ne. Pwede na, siguro na.
Siya yung shooter P. Aliyah.
Ayun
Lang available na Parang Sandwich Apple na nakakandiyan.
Where are you going, kiddo?
Don't ask.
Magwiwi ka?
So I just need a walk.
What? Walk where?
Around
Anong around? Gabi na.
around the tent.
Don't trip over the
Wires.
lines, ha? What are we doing?
Wala! Kumakain.
Drinking. What are you drinking?
Guys,
Yes.
Sandwich Light.
Hindi siya apple.
Parang craft beer siya yung lasa.
Yeah.
Ay, ito.
Ano to?
Light lang to eh. Ayun, lamig. Ay, sarap. Ay, sarap. Ang lamig. Mami, ang sarap.
Gusto ng apple.
Kuha ang apple. Game. Yung pulutan natin, Lola Nena.
Ma, dito tayo magkuko.
Ay, na?
Rip.
Hindi tayo upong. Refreshing.
That was more than just a fart. Ooh.
Sabi ko na walk around ka dyan. Pa-park ka
Refreshing.
Refreshing.
My choice of drink? Chucky.
Shaki.
The school famous. Ay,
First time camper. How is it? Fancy it.
I don't know.
May mga items na okay, may mga hindi. Like chairs. We have 4 chairs. Dalawang hindi masyado kita. Dalawang black. Ganito, folding.
Ah, Sheila.
Medyo bulky to eh. Pero okay sila.
Director chair.
Parang ganun. Ano naman, basta hindi mo sila bibiglayin, kaya ka naman nila yung support.
Do you guys
Goma
want
eh.
some? Gusto nyo?
Plastic, dapat hindi plastic yung ano. Kasi yung isa, the one, ano you call this? Moon chair ata yan eh. Yung gamit mo ba dyan? Moon chair. This, okay to kasi parang cloth yung saksakan niya ng ano eh, rod eh. Pero the other one, dini-commission namin, this one. It's decommissioned. Nasira yung plastic niya. So it's bad. Bad item yun. But this table,
It's kinda good.
assembly required. Itong temp table na to. Maraming sizes tong table na to. Large ito.
Should've
So,
gone
parang may
extra
small,
large.
medium, large. I think for a family of 4.
That's good enough.
Na? Lalo na kung malaking sakyan mo, maybe another one. Ikaw ma, enough na yung table na yun? Kasi kung may cooler ka, makeshift na table din yun. Yung cooler nandun sa
Likod.
How about this one? Lutuan natin.
Yan, served as well naman, pero could have been better.
Eh, sobrang nipis na
Sa taas.
Pati yung grill parang dadhat na.
parang gusto ko na siyang itapon natin. Yung itsura niya ngayon eh.
Pati nakaka-burn through.
We also cook s'mores on
Yeah,
that.
nahulog pala yung coal. Burning. So nasunog ng konti yung grass sa ilalim.
We also cook s'mores on that.
Pero, did the job, no? Kaya lang yan, 100 something lang ata.
Nakaluto.
You could have bought two.
Kahit naman, wag naman disposable. Merong isang alternative, yung ginagamit ng iba. Sa altitude, mas malaki, square siya eh. The tents, isa lang yung tent natin. This one, we borrowed from To.
Which is our cousin.
They are both from Decathlon. Quechua parehas yan. Newer model lang yan sa atin.
Tulog ka na.
There she goes.
Ay, pag naka-open pala, masarap. Itang pumapasok yung hangin.
Ito, setup nyo ng bed. May inflatable bed sila. Dilim na eh. Siguro bukas. Pakita natin. Sa isang 2-person na inflatable bed. Ito. Doon naman sa amin ni Ma, merong single na inflatable from Nature Hike. Yung maraming dimple. Eh, meron namang what do you call that, Ma? Yung parang comforter na sleeping bag. Medyo makapal na konti.
Gusto ko to.
Pang malamig. Saan mo gusto? Sa orange? Doon ako sa sleeping bag. Buti itong site natin. Medyo patag naman.
Yeah. The occasional rolling of hot dogs can happen on the grill.
The lights pala. Ano ba dyan? You're in charge of the lights.
No.
Pretty boring.
Gives a cozy vibe naman sa sight
Oh, itong fairy lights to.
Cozy nga. Kita.
Itong fairy lights na to, Shopee lang yan. Power source niya yung power bank. USB. So, kailangan may dedicated ka na power bank for that. This one also. Diyan. Dilim eh. It's the kitchen. This is our kitchen.
Pretty basic for a bed.
So, dyan nakasasak yung mga pans, may burner dun, may butane, spices, tapos yung mga tong, utensils konti, kasya din dito.
Bro.
Yeah. So this is our bag for the kitchen. Neat, but it's all you need.
At least we're not cooking steak.
This is pwede ka mag-color coding nito kasi I found this sa Shopee. Khaki, then may green, then may black. Siguro you can get the black one para sa mga electronics mo. gadgets, ganyan. Lighting stuff. Siguro next time gano'n naman gagawin natin. Yun lang. How about this one? Anong sabi niya dito? Okay to?
Installation medyo tricky pero okay naman siya.
But be aware though.
Umpisa lang siguro. Parang di ko pa alam yung technique na magawa mo siya na mag-isa. Parang mahirap.
Also, you really need to watch your step as the strings are black. And when it's midnight, you can't really see them.
Yeah. Would you suggest na palitan sila ng paracord na ano? Neon? Kaya alam po, daytime, di neon yung tali mo. Parang,
It's gonna...
you just have to be aware lang siguro. Your setup.
I mean, you can kinda see it, but... I mean, you can trip wherever you want if you're like on the ground, not near mountain hills. But if you're on a hillside like this, you gotta watch your step. Or else you'll wake up in heaven.
Bukas na umaga, papakita natin ulit where we are. Nasa ledge tayo eh. Overlooking doon.
Yeah.
Bomba mo dyan, please.
Miss Ben. Sana maging mas friendly.
Okso? Make sure may hangin kayo ah. Good night, boys. Good morning, good morning. Sleepyhead is napuyat. Okay. Mommy and I are up. The sun is up. Good morning. We got coffee. Choco. Ito coffee with creamer. Choco. Coffee. Tapos nag-toast akong bread. Talagang toast. Dala. Nag-picture kasi. Ano, chef? Chef Mami. Got eggs. Guys. So this is the setup we have. It's on top of this. Dito. Ayun, guhit pala dito.
Yung channel.
Ito, okay.
La.
Ah, nilagay niya.
Kaya nakabon ng taong. Makatula kayo ni.
Hindi pala nakatali yung unggoy. Got eggs.
Sausage.
And toast.
Super toast.
Super toast. Beri ko rin ya. Breakfast na. There, Lola Nenas.
Yung medyo mapait lang itong dalawa.